Hi. Now in this question we're given that f of x equals 4 divided by x minus 3x plus 2. And we've got to find f prime x or f dash x, and then we've got to go on to find f double dash of a half or f double prime of a half. So as usual, if you'd like to give this a go and haven't done so already, just give you a moment to pause the video. Do come back when ready and you can check your work solution with mine. Okay, so let's see how you got on with this. Well, for part one, first of all, what I'm going to do is just copy out the question, what we're given. That is f of x equals 4 divided by x minus 3x plus 2. And if we're to find the first differential of f of x with respect to x, I need to change this term. I need to change this term to 4x to the power minus 1. That's because this is 4 times 1 over x, and 1 over x can be written as x to the power minus 1. And then we've got minus 3x and then plus 2. So now I can find the first differential of this, f prime x or f dash x equals, and in the usual way multiply the power with the number in the front here and we get minus 4. Then we reduce the power by 1 and that becomes x to the power minus 2. And for this term here we just get minus 3 when we differentiate that with respect to x, and for the constant, well, that goes to 0. And you could leave this like this, but I must admit I never like negative powers in my answers, so I see this as minus 4 times 1 over x squared, and that gives us minus 4 over x squared, and then we've got the minus 3. Okay, so either of those two answers I'm sure would do. So for the next part, okay, part 2, what we've got to do first of all is find the second differential of f of x. Okay, so we've got the first differential of f of x. I'll just copy it back down again. F prime x, if you like, or f dash x equals minus 4x to the power minus 2 minus 3. I'll write that version down because that allows us straight away to find this second differential. Okay, f double dash of x. And again, if we differentiate this term, we've got minus 2 times minus 4, which is plus 8. Reduce the power by 1 and you get x to the power minus 3. Differential of the constant, well, that's 0. And again, as I said before, I don't like negative powers. This is 8 times 1 over x cubed, or just simply 8 over x cubed. And now I'm in a position to work out what f double dash then of 1/2 is going to be. All we've got to do is substitute x equals a half into here. So we've got 8 all divided by 1/2 cubed. And a half cubed is 1/8. So we've got 8 divided by 1/8, and you can fit 1/8 into 8 64 times. So you've got 64 there. Okay.